Good evening, Professor New. This is Jeremy White. This is working in database systems. The difference between jobs is a database analyst uses data to support business functions and strategy, while a database administrator, a DBA, manages and maintains the operational health of the database systems, and a database developer creates the database structures and writes the code to interface with them. The analyst focuses on data insights, the administrator on system security, performance, and availability, and the developer on building and optimizing the database for the application use. So I just wanted to go ahead and, get the difference between jobs out there before I actually go into the responsibilities and core quality, job qualifications needed in order to get those jobs. First one is going to be the database analyst. It's, do you have experience in SQL is a really frequent common question among the job applications. Do you have a bachelor's is another one. And also, do you have experience in version control? I haven't looked into version control, but it's very interesting as far as the only one I know here is sequence query language, which is SQL. But the required education, experience, certificates, and skills is a bachelor's degree in data science, statistics, mathematics, economics, and related analytic field. 2 to 4 years of experience in data analysts, preferably in SAS, healthcare, or related technology environments. Proficiency in SQL, like I was saying earlier, sequence query language for data extraction and manipulation, and experience with data visualization tools. Strong skills in Excel/Google Sheets for statistical analysts. Understanding of statistical concepts and hypothesis testing. And, SQL Server, PostgreSQL, MySQL, any really relational databases. And then visualization, Tableau. Analytic platforms would be Google Analytics, Mixpanel, Amplitude. And then the preferred skills would be previous experience in healthcare, familiarity with healthcare data standards and compliance requirements, experience with cloud-based analytics platforms like Google Cloud, Azure, knowledge of predictive modeling and machine learning techniques, background in SaaS metrics and customer lifecycle analysis, and experience with A/B testing and experimental design, certificate in data analyst tools for methodologies. For a database administrator, a DBA, it's going to be database administrators are tech-based professionals who need specific skills in order to do their jobs well. Understanding the hard and soft skills necessary to be successful in this role can help you advance in your career. And then in this article, you'll learn about hard and soft database administrator skills necessarily for this role, how to improve these skills, and how to highlight them during your job search. And then most common question among them was hard and soft skills, the SQL, as well as sequence query language, the database design, experiment results, and it was like soft database administrator skills. While technical expertise is vital in database administration, soft skills will help you excel and create a well-balanced workplace. These skills keep day-to-day operations working smoothly. Below is the list of essential database administrator soft skills. So these are just the basic ones like communication, problem solving, organization skills, attention to detail, and adaptability. These are all necessary, like the skill sets needed in order to administer the database on the soft side. But on the hard side, it gets more to technological, like SQL, the structured query language, performance tuning, database security, and understanding of a database design overall. It's the more hard side. That's why they say you need hard and soft, because you need to have in my opinion, a well balance between tech knowledge and having good communication and being an asset to the actual environment in a structured workplace. But the SQL is still very interesting to me because I haven't learned about it yet, but I do want to learn about it. So, because the crucial manipulating and retrieving data is actually really interesting to me as far as that. And I've already have a lot of experience as far as a soft database, like communication, problem solving, organizational, and attention to detail and adaptability, because I've worked in the server industry before. But I need to apply that with tech, of course, as far as for this industry. But the other and last job is going to be database developer. The responsibilities of a database developer are going to be the architect and build data pipelines, design and implement data processing workflows using DuckDB, Polars, and Arrow Parquet. I haven't looked into that, but I'm going to look into that. The balance small data light local pipelines with data cloud, and then champion the small data mindset. Collaborate cross functionality. Partner with data science, professional services, and product engineering teams to define semantic data layers. And they also have operational excellence, establish standards for CI/CD, observability, and reliability in data pipelines. Mentor and lead, serve as thought leader in the organization, guiding engineers on what to use lightweight tools versus distributed platforms. And for this, you need to have a deep expertise in SQL, structured query language, strong Python skills, which is a form of coding with data libraries, and then proficiency in DuckDB, and then hands-on with columnar formats like Parquet, Arrow, Orc, and then expertise in Kubernetes and Helm. And then these are all of my my sources.